Created by a kid and their parent, using Talebot.
Mila's Marvelous Mars Mishap, a stellar adventure in space. A special bedtime story for Ella. Once upon a time, in the small, bustling town of Adventure Bay, there lived an ambitious girl named Astronaut Mila. Mila wasn't just any girl, she was a girl with a dream as vast as the universe itself. Her passion for space was ignited the day she first laid eyes on the twinkling stars, and since then, she had vowed to explore every corner of the cosmos. But Mila's favorite celestial body was Mars, the red planet, largely because of its striking color and mysterious terrain. It reminded her of her favorite dessert, a chocolate ring, which she often savored while gazing at the night sky. Mila wasn't alone in her cosmic journeys. She had a best friend, Ben the Explorer, who shared her love for adventure and was always ready to embark on new quests. Ben was not only a talented navigator but also an expert in alien languages, a skill that Mila admired greatly. However, every hero has an adversary, and for Mila, it was rival astronaut Jack. Jack was also an accomplished astronaut, but unlike Mila and Ben, he believed in winning at any cost, even if it meant bending the rules. His constant attempts to outdo Mila only fueled her determination to work harder and play even harder. One day, Mila received an invitation that would change her life forever. The Galactic Exploration Society had organized a mission to Mars, and she was chosen to lead it. Thrilled by the opportunity, Mila prepared diligently, knowing that the journey would be fraught with challenges. Ben, of course, was right by her side, ready to lend his expertise. The space shuttle was set for takeoff from Adventure Bay's very own space center. The townsfolk gathered to witness the historic event, cheering loudly as the engines roared to life. Mila, sitting in the cockpit with Ben and a team of skilled astronauts, felt a surge of excitement. Jack, who was leading another team, gave Mila a competitive glance, but she simply smiled and focused on the mission ahead. As the shuttle soared through the atmosphere and into the vast expanse of space, Mila felt a profound sense of achievement.
Talebot, tailor-made tales for your child's dreams.
She and her team were on their way to Mars, a dream finally becoming a reality. The journey was long, filled with scientific experiments and celestial observations. Mila and Ben shared many moments of awe as they encountered wonders of the universe they had only read about in books. Upon reaching Mars, Mila's team began their exploration. The surface of Mars was even more breathtaking up close, with its towering volcanoes and deep canyons. Mila and Ben were like children in a playground, collecting samples and studying rock formations. However, their joy was soon interrupted by a distress signal from Jack's team. Without hesitation, Mila and Ben set out to locate Jack and his crew. They found them stranded in a crater, their rover damaged beyond repair. Jack was reluctant to accept help from Mila, but she reminded him that in space, rivalry takes a back seat to survival. Working together, the two teams managed to repair the rover using parts from their own vehicles. The experience taught Jack a valuable lesson about teamwork and humility. He thanked Mila and Ben, admitting that he had underestimated the power of collaboration. With their mission complete and new friendships formed, Mila's team returned to Earth as heroes. The people of Adventure Bay welcomed them with a grand celebration. Mila shared her adventures and discoveries, inspiring the next generation of astronauts. That night, as Mila savored her chocolate ring dessert, she realized that the greatest adventure wasn't out there among the stars but right here, in the bonds we form with others. Her love for science had brought her to Mars, but it was her heart that brought her back home. And so, Astronaut Mila continued to work hard, explore the universe, and most importantly, play hard, knowing that every challenge was an opportunity to learn, grow, and make new friends. The end.
Created by a kid and their parent using Talebot, click the link in the video description to create your own story.